In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in Excel. We will keep it simple, so even if this is your very first time using Excel, you can follow along easily and end up with a clean, usable list. First, click a cell, such as a 1. On a blank sheet, you will see a grid of rectangles, each one is a cell. The letters across the top are column headings, and the numbers down the side are row headings. When you click cell A1, you should see a dark border appear around it, and the column letter A and row number 1 both highlight. That border tells you A1 is the active cell where Excel will put anything you type next. If you accidentally click the wrong place, just click A1 again to move the highlight back. Now type your first item. This might be a name, a product, a task, or anything else you want in your list. As you type, you will see the text appear both inside the cell and in the formula bar at the top. If you make a typing mistake, you can use the backspace key to fix it before you confirm. Excel will treat what you type as text unless you enter numbers that it recognizes as values. That means you do not need to format anything yet, just get the wording right for this first entry. Once you like what you have typed, press Enter. When you press Enter, Excel accepts that value into cell A1 and moves the active cell down to A2. You will notice the dark border drop from row 1 to row 2, while your first item remains visible in A1. If you ever press Enter too soon, you can click back on A1 and edit the text directly. A quick tip here, pressing Tab instead would move you to the right, but for a vertical list, Enter is what keeps everything aligned in one column. With the cursor now sitting in A2, type the next item. You are repeating the same process, but now building the second entry in your list. Make sure each item is a separate idea, so sorting and filtering will work well later. You will again see your text both in the cell and in the formula bar as you type. If the text seems longer than the cell width, let it run for now. Excel can wrap or resize columns later, and the full content is already stored. After that, continue down the column. Each time you press Enter, Excel locks in the current item and moves you to the next cell below. You will see your list forming vertically in column A, with one item per row, such as A1, A2, A3, and so on. A useful habit is to pause every few entries and read down the column to catch any spelling errors or duplicates early. There is no Save button inside a cell. Your changes are already applied as you go. When you stop typing, you now have a simple Excel list, ready for sorting, filtering, or adding more columns later. You just created a clean vertical list in Excel, one item per cell, ready to build on. If this helped you get your first list set up, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Excel walkthroughs like this.